piece of fabric on the side of your seat can make the difference between life and death. Or a costly ticket. Wearing your seatbelt is the law. No click, no ride. Come on, let me show you how easy it is. Fastening your seatbelt is very simple and only takes a couple of seconds. Take a look here and I'll show you. First step, take the buckle in your left hand with the belt, and for the second step, connect it to the receiving end. Very simple, and it could possibly save your life. 19,000 Americans die every year due to not wearing a seatbelt. So remember, always buckle up. If everyone follows these simple steps and makes habit of them, you'd be reducing fatal car accidents by 90% and overall saving 4,200 Americans a year. Stay safe, buckle up.
Hey, no click, no ride.
Okay.